In this video, I'm going to show you this variation of the design. See my original video for how to get started and how to make this frame, as well as how to make the bail and then this top loop thing. And in this video, I'll show you how to finish it off with this little loop here.
I got to the point where I did these two wires, I bent them in here. So all the variations that I'm going to show you start at this point in time. They involve these two wires only. I'm going to take this first frontmost wire. I'm actually just going to give it a twist. And anytime I do these little twists, that's totally optional. I just like the look. I think it breaks it up from all the wires looking the same. But it's totally optional. If you don't like the way it looks or you're not happy with the way that your twists turn out, just don't do it and keep your wire as it is. So I'm taking that twisted wire, bringing it across the front and to the back, and then trimming it and pushing it in there. Pushing away that little wire and getting rid of it. There we go. So obviously I already locked my stone in. Just like I did in the previous video, my stones are locked in, and it's just about those two wires. Just pushing on this little twisted wire a little bit. I feel like it kind of rose up more than I wanted it to. There we go. All right, so now, I guess this part's pretty similar, but this is what's going to be different now. This last wire. So putting it here, just like this, but now I'm putting my thumb here to prevent the wire from moving, and I'm putting a little bend in it, because ultimately what I want to do is I want to make a little loop. So bringing it all the way around, making a little loop. Now the size of the loop is up to you and your preference. I just squished it with my pliers, as you saw, to make it a little smaller. And now, when it gets lined back up with all these wires here, just bring it back. We're just going to trim and tuck away that wire end, just like we did with all the others. So I'm just tucking that away. All right, so that's another version. It involves a little loop.
So that's it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.